Welcome back, guys, to another edition of Hard Plans Fishing. Here I am with the man and the legend, my dad.
Thank you, Reinhard, for calling me the legend, but I'm not too much of a legend. I'm just supporting you and your passion.
So guys, so the targeting species today is a hammerhead shark, and if we not catch that, I hope we catch some fish.
Yeah, I must say we're very much spoiled today. We've got some nice shade sitting under a nice tree, some lawn. Very much spoiled when it comes to rock and surf fishing today. So yeah, very excited, and let's see if we can get a fish or two on the line.
See you guys there. I'm gonna do my bait presentation today. So my bait presentation is gonna be with a bonnie and a choker, a combination bait. So firstly, you must cut the bonnie like so. Like this, but just one piece. Then you put this back in the. You're gonna take your dingle, but first you must hit it with your knife a little bit so it makes it soft. At the back with the back of your knife, just like that. You stick this in, and then you wrap it around. Just like that. Then you take the choker, so the soft side must be on the outside. And you wrap it again strongly with cotton. Then you hammer it again with the other piece. Okay, just like that. Wrap it again with cotton. Okay guys, and it's supposed to look like that. It's not the best, but it's not the best, but here is it. Unfortunately guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Unlucky enough that there was no fish in the waters. But remember guys, it's not about the fish, it's about being in nature and with your family and with my dad and at the waters.
Yeah, thank you very much, Reinhard, for the day. It's been a real awesome time. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and let's grow this young man's channel.
And remember guys, don't take your limit, limit your take.
See you next time.